Smuggler sentenced for illegal transport of endangered plants in South Africa by Satori News. A decisive legal action has been taken against environmental crime in Northern Cape, South Africa, as Mothibistad Regional Court delivered a significant judgment. Tatenda Mawere, 24, was convicted and sentenced on charges related to the illegal transportation of specially protected plants, an act which defies environmental protection laws. On the morning of 20th of February 2021, an integrated force composed of members from the Hawks Serious Organized Crime Investigation Unit and the South African Police Service, SAPS, at a vehicle checkpoint apprehended Mawere and others for their involvement in an illegal operation. A suspicious attempt by a white minibus taxi to pass through the checkpoint without a due search led officers to conduct a thorough check, revealing a trove of unknown plants, subsequently identified as specially protected species. The seriousness of the offense was highlighted by the plant's assessed value, a staggering R6 million. The discovery of such a high-value haul without any accompanying permits triggered immediate arrests. Mawere's case swiftly proceeded through the judicial system, leading to a guilty plea. The court handed down a firm sentence, tailored to both punish and deter. Mawere faces a fine of R20,000 or 2 years of imprisonment for the transport of protected plants, with an additional 5-year suspended sentence contingent upon future compliance with the law. Furthermore, in relation to contravening the Immigration Act, he has been given a 12-month suspended sentence. These stringent sentences underscore South Africa's commitment to protecting its rich biodiversity and enforcing laws that safeguard environmental resources. The declaration that Mawere is unfit to possess a firearm, as stipulated by Section 103 of the Firearm Control Act 60 of 2020, is another facet of the court's holistic approach to justice. The outcome of this case sends a clear message. Illegal exploitation of South Africa's natural heritage will not be tolerated. Environmental crimes not only impact biodiversity, but can also hurt the economy and communities that rely on ecotourism and sustainable harvesting practices. Mothibistad Regional Court's verdict is a cornerstone in the country's ongoing struggle against organized environmental crime and a rallying point for environmental advocates. The pursuit and capture of Mawere and his accomplices reflect the determined efforts of various law enforcement branches working in concert, an embodiment of the collective resolve to protect South Africa's precious flora from illicit activities. While Mawere has been convicted, his co-accused await their trial, set for 19th of August, 2024. Their current release on bail signals the court's willingness to follow due process, assuring all parties receive a fair trial. The continued fight against environmental crime in South Africa thus advances, buoyed by this adjudication and the anticipation of further justice to be served. Thank you for choosing Satori News.